Why are you always crying? Why are you shedding tears thinking that life has ended? Why do you think that the world has ended on you? No, that's not the best thing to do. Always be on your feet. Look for a way to survive as long as you're not doing evil. Don't let people to stop you from achieving your dream. Don't let your failure to stop you from achieving your dream. You are better. Your achievement is a history that can only tell about how you started and how you ended it. Wake up. Go fight for it. Go get it. You're a go-getter. Don't quit. Don't stop. The story will change when you're ready to change it.